Tried every tip, strategy, and breathing technique, but still feel anxious? You've been working on the conscious layer of nerves, but performance anxiety lives much deeper. In this video, I'll show you why hypnosis is one of the most powerful tools you can use to transform nerves into flow. Welcome to The Fearless Musician. I'm Christina, and I'm on a mission to help you transform nerves into flow through science, psychology, and hypnosis. Today, I'm breaking down how hypnosis rewires your performance mindset and why it's one of the most effective tools for musicians who want real, lasting change. Most musicians try to control their nerves using conscious strategies, positive thinking, breathing, affirmations. These only work on the top 5% of your mind. Performance anxiety doesn't start there. It comes from subconscious patterns your brain learned years ago. How your body reacts under pressure, old experiences from your training or early performances, beliefs about mistakes, judgment, or approval, protective responses your nervous system thinks you still need. You can't outthink a subconscious pattern, but you can retrain it. And that's where hypnosis comes in. Hypnosis isn't mind control or anything to be afraid of. It's a scientifically recognized state of focused, relaxed attention, where your brain becomes more receptive to new ideas, new associations, and new responses. Think of it as opening the door to the part of your mind that normally says, "I'm not safe. I'm being judged. What if I mess up? I can't trust myself." Hypnosis lets us rewrite those patterns, not with force, but with creativity. Hypnosis allows you to retrain your subconscious to respond differently on stage by calming your body's threat response, building trust in your own capability, reshaping your relationship with judgment, dissolving old fear-based associations, creating a more healthy response to pressure. And the result is your nervous system finds balance, and calm, confidence, and presence feel natural again. And here's the most important part. The subconscious doesn't hold one big anxiety. It holds patterns. Patterns you've learned over time, and patterns that can absolutely be changed. In the next video, I'll take you behind the scenes of my tailored quiz, so you can see exactly which performance patterns shape your experience of pressure, and how personalised hypnosis adapts to your unique experience on stage. And if you want a head start, you can take the quiz using the link in the description box below. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and share it with another musician who needs it. Remember, your mind can be retrained, your patterns can change, and you can absolutely perform with freedom again. See you in the next video.